How to invoke the superconstructor in Python. In all other languages I've worked with, the superconstructor is invoked implicitly. How does one invoke it in Python? I would expect superself, but this doesn't work.
In line with the other answers, there are multiple ways to call superclass methods, including the constructor. However, in Python 3 the process has been simplified. Python 3. Python 2. In Python 2, you have to call the slightly more verbose version super, containing class name, self, which is equivalent to super as per the docs.
Super returns a parent-like object in new style classes.
With Python 2.x old style classes it would be this.
One way is to call A's constructor and pass self as an argument, like so. The advantage of this style is that it's very clear.
It calls A's initializer. The downside is that it doesn't handle diamond-shaped inheritance very well, since you may end up calling the shared base class's initializer twice.
Another way is to use super, as others have shown.
For single inheritance, it does basically the same thing as letting you call the parent's initializer. However, super is quite a bit more complicated under the hood and can sometimes be counterintuitive in multiple inheritance situations.
On the plus side, super can be used to handle diamond-shaped inheritance.
If you want to know the nitty-gritty of what super does, the best explanation I found for how super works is here, though I'm not necessarily endorsing that article's opinions.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.